How to make a Facebook leads ad easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can create your own lead generation ad on Facebook. So let's get into it. Now, to create a lead generation ad, all you have to do is go into facebook.com/ads manager. So just type that in your URL search bar and this page will open up. So this is your ads manager. Now I have already logged onto my Facebook account, as you can see over here. If you have not, it will ask you for your login information and you will simply log in with the account that you want to use to create your lead generation ad. Now, there are multiple types of ads you can create. First off, you can see you can choose to create a campaign. Then you have ad sets, and then you have simple basic ads. So I can click on ads over here, and then I can click on create on the top left over here. Once you click on create, you can see over here, they will ask you for the objective or what do you want to accomplish with this kind of ad. So for this video, we want to create more leads. This is a lead generation ad. So you can see lead generation ads are good for calls, conversations, messenger, and instant forms. So we want leads, and after you have entered the basic thing that you want to achieve with your Facebook ad, you're simply going to select that and click on continue. Now, once you do that, you can begin creating the campaign name. You can create a template as well. So you can use a pre-existing template or create your own first basic template that will enable you to just copy and paste that for the future. And now, first off, I'm just going to call this lead sample, and then you can also choose the category that you want. So we're going to leave it as no category. Then you have the campaign details if it's a auction, and then you have the basic objectives, and then you have your A/B testing. Now, after that, you have your new leads ad set. So over here, this will enable you to show how you want to begin conversations for your customers. So if you want to generate leads through your website, if you want to generate leads by asking people to fill a form, if you want them through Messenger, if you want them via instant forms that are present within the Facebook Messenger, or via calls or application. So this is something that you have to do. So let's say that I want it to be via my website and I want to generate leads through my website, and then you have to choose the event. So what kind of inactive event do you want? So is it to complete registration? Is it a contact where I find location via a submission of information? So let's say it is by leads. And then after that, you can choose the budget and schedule of your ads, and you can also have a cost per result goal. So this enables you to spend your money in an optimized way. So let's say that So now you can see over here, once you have set the conversion that you want, after that you will be selecting your dynamic creative. So this can enable you to provide elements such as images and headlines that they will automatically generate combinations optimized for the audience of your choice. So let's say that I have a business where I am selling skincare products or makeup products, then I want to optimize that for a female dynamic. That is the dynamic that I am targeting. So I can choose to turn this on or off, but I'm going to leave that for now. Then you have optimization and delivery. So what should my ad delivery be optimized for? I want it to be optimized for conversions. I want people to purchase the item or to actually, convert into customers. Then you have your budgeting and schedule. Then you have a end date that you can set. Then you have your audience. So your audience is the people that you are targeting for your adverts. What are the people that you want to interact that you think would become your customers? And those are the people that are potential leads. So your leads are focused on those specific people. Now you can click on create new audience, and then you can add a custom audience that might be previously existing, or first off you can select the country of your audience. So let's say I have a makeup store or makeup brand that I'm launching in Canada, so I can target that. Then I can edit the age. So let's say the age ranges that I'm going to be targeting are going to be 13 to maybe I want to target people between the ages of 13 and 34, or maybe 16 and 34. So just like that, once I have done that, I'm going to scroll down and I can choose the gender of the people that I'm targeting. Now, depending on whatever you are selling, you can choose the gender. Then you also have more detailed targeting, so you can choose to exclude certain audiences as well. Then you're just going to save your audience as you would. You can name it anything you want. And then you have your placements. So if you want Advantage Plus placements, so this will maximize your budget to help show ads to more people. Or if you want manual placement. So let's say that you have a website that is not, the most optimized, then you can do manual placements just to help when people are going to be, how they are going to be viewing your ads, just to optimize that. However, Advantage Plus placements are good enough for most people. Once you've done that, you're going to click on Next on the bottom right over here. And once you click on Next, you will name your ad. This is just called New Leads Ad. Then you have your identity, so which Facebook page are you actually creating this ad campaign for. Then you can also connect a Instagram account with your Facebook ads as well, because Facebook and Instagram, they are all interlinked. And after that, you can create your ad setup. So whether it's going to be a manual upload or catalog, so we want to do manual uploads. And I want it to be a single image or video, or a collection of images or videos. That would be a suitable option as well, or a carousel, but a single image I think is going to be the most effective for a simple campaign. Then you have your ad creative. So from here, you can add whatever kind of ad that you've created. Now, if you don't know how to create an ad, you can use a simple graphic illustration tool like Canva to create a simple ad for your business. So I'm just going to take one of their templates and I'm just going to upload that. So you can see there are so many different ads that you can choose from, but I will just click on download over here. And I will just download this sample ad as a example to show you guys. And I will click on add media, add image, and I will click on upload. And then I will simply upload my ad over here and select this image as the ad image. So you're just going to click on next. Then you're going to choose how you want it to be shown. So if you want it to be shown in the original version, or if you want it to be shown in a specific dimension. So you can see if it's in stories, reels, apps, and sites, it's going to be on the normal version. Then for feeds, in-stream video, and overlay ads in reels, you can choose how you want it to be shown. You can also crop your ad and customize the look of it. I would recommend resizing it for feeds and in-stream videos, as well as to create specific ads for stories and reels that are based on portrait mode. So they are a portrait-sized image rather than a landscape image that is usually traditionally used in ads. Once you've done that, you can choose to optimize media, so if you want to allow attachments or not, and they just vary aspect ratio and do some media enhancements, and that is around it. So once that has been done, you'll be able to see how it's going to show up on multiple different feeds. So you can see as a Facebook ad, it's going to look like this. As a Instagram feed ad, it's going to look like this. And over here, it hasn't loaded properly on all of the formats, but this is how it's going to appear. Now you can begin adding your primary text. So let's say that the primary text is going to be, and you can see as I am adding the text, it is showing me the preview of how the text is going to appear. And then once you do that, you have your call to action. So the call to action is the button that will appear to the customers, and what kind of button should it appear. So for me, I want to sell a product, so I could put a buy now button, a download button, a learn now button. So there are multiple different options, and I think for us it is going to be the best to leave it as a learn now button. Then you have the destination. So the destination is going to be a website, which will be your website, and then you will just enter your website link over here. Then you will add your own translations if you want to add any, and then you have simple tracking, and you can click on publish over here to get started with your leads campaign. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with creating your own Facebook leads ad. Now make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave a comment down below. I would love to help you guys out, and I will catch you guys in the next video.